Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the iTunes error that says home sharing could not be activated, error code 5507 on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial here, guys. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up iTunes if it's not already open. And you want to select the File tab up at the top. Select where it says Home Sharing, and then select Turn on Home Sharing. At this point, you'd enter in your Apple ID credentials, sign in, and that's pretty much it, guys. Not too much more to do here. So after you enter in your credentials here, if you come up with a 5507 error, you will need to wait until the access code pops up on your Apple device. So once you get your code, whether it's through your phone or your email, you go ahead and enter that code in and it should let you proceed with the home sharing. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.